walk through here. We're on Haps and Periscope and Twitter, and maybe not YouTube because I can't get it to connect, but I'm going to take you for a little walk through the jaws of the whale, the jawbones of the whale. So let's just turn around and get going here. So I'm going to turn you back again. So thanks for joining me, everybody. It's really great to have you. Catherine, awesome. Joel, thank you very much. Happy New Year. Yes, Happy New Year to you all. You can see the jawbones of the giant whales there behind me. So we're going to go for a walk through. So let me switch you around. Rick! There we go. So I'm in Kaikoura, which is fabulous. The weather's gorgeous. This is sort of like the whaling capital of New Zealand, I suppose you would say. And this is a memorial park was put here in 1939 with the giant jawbones of the whales. Thank you. Ronald, fantastic. Happy New Year. Yes, it is 12:18 p.m. on the 1st of January here in New Zealand. So my first live stream of the year. So let's go for a walk through here. We'll have a look up close at some of these jawbones. It's just a small park, but they form an archway. So actually, some of these are original jawbones that have been used here. Very culturally inappropriate now because the whales are sacred. Oh, and Happy New Year from Russia. So we wouldn't be doing this now, but you know, in the old days they did. So the bones were used for carvings, and I suppose what they weren't carving with, they used like this for a decoration. So we're pretty lucky that we have got them. So this is a real jawbone here. You can see it's beginning to break away a little bit, and when you touch it, you can see the bony sort of texture of the jawbone. Yeah, Kathy, awesome. Are you infested with fruit flies? I haven't seen a fly all day. The original jawbone here. So as they have disintegrated over the years, they have replaced them with concrete ones. So yeah, how's it going, Kathy? We're in Kaikoura. It's a beautiful day. I need to tell you I bought something fantastic today. I have bought a doormat, and it's really gorgeous. It's like a rainbow, and it's got all the colours of the rainbow written in Maori, so it's really, really cool. So that's my New Year present to myself. So let's go back again. I'm going to take you. Oh, what's happening? I can't turn it. There we go. There we are. So the jawbone of the whales. So you can do a lot of whale watching from here, swim with dolphins, all that sort of stuff. Another of your favourite places. It's really busy, Kathy. You'd be loving it here. Joy, awesome. Nice to see you. Well, yes, lovely bright new doormat. I have never been a doormat in my life, so it's just nice to buy one. There we go. Walking through, this is a concrete one here. So you can see it looks different. Whoa, it looks different. Yeah, so this is a concrete one. And it's got a little thing on it saying that it was go. There's some lovely roses here. The beach is just through here. So here's the real ones coming up. I suppose they have disintegrated over the years with the salt water and the winds that rip through here. And it's gorgeous. Jim, fantastic. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. So here we go. Here's one of the original jawbones. Yeah. You can see the texture's completely different, and they're just beautiful. Yeah, that one back there is fake. Well, they've copied the shape of, but this is the real one. So they copied the shape of them, so just to keep the archways going around through the park. Sorry if I'm going to miss your messages. It's because my screen's just gone black. It's hot and it's sunny and it's beautiful. And we're heading for lunch after this. I'll get into the shade a little bit and then I can see your messages. Woohoo! Happy New Year, everybody. Thank you so much. Pretty harsh environment. Blinky Bill, awesome. How's it going? Nice to see you all. Here we go. These are real ones here as well. So these are the whales' jawbone. But it's good. It's good. So I'm gonna step you out of the jawbones, and we're gonna just come over here and take a look at the beach. So yeah, they do. This is where I did the helicopter flight from in September, and went up to Mount Fife, which was amazing. So the beaches here are not sandy. It's just all full of pebbles, rocks, stones, and amazing, amazing driftwood. Look at this. It's a little bit hazy on the mountains. That's the Kaikoura Ranges through there. It's a little bit hazy on the mountains. So we're not seeing them today. It might clear up a little bit later, which is good. But very rugged. Chris, awesome. How's it going? Oh, I'm struggling to see the screen, sorry. Yeah. Haps is misbehaving. Haps is doing something. Is Haps not very good? Tell me, because if it's not very good, I will just finish. Yeah. I'll zoom in on these rocks. You can see how, whoops, yeah, I can see. You can see how rugged it is around here. Beautiful, beautiful rocks, and lots of native bird life around this area as well. Beautiful, beautiful though. Gorgeous, gorgeous. The signal should be okay. Hey, how's it going there? Oh, I'm struggling to see the screen, sorry, because it's so dark. Yeah. So thanks for joining me. Sorry, I can't. Was lucky the people that came in at the beginning because I was in the shade. I'll just walk over here a little bit and show you the contour of the land around here. But the stones are amazing. Look at them. This is very, very smooth stones. Just, oh, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The stones are gorgeous. They've just been worn smooth with the years. The battering, and yeah, really, really gorgeous. I do feel like a swim. Might get one in a little bit later. Have to be careful swimming around here. There's, it's quite, the seas get quite big. So yeah, so whale watching, swimming with dolphins, that all happens. You can do a big, big trip right out here. They go right out onto the horizon. Oh, the Kaikoura Range is just coming into view, if you can see that. Very, very cool. And so this stretches, there's a few accommodation places, and a few of the locals have got their houses around here. A lot of fishermen live in this area. Kaikoura means like to eat. Kura is crayfish, or like lobster. So Kaikoura, kai is food, kura is the crayfish. Crayfish is similar to lobster, except it doesn't have those big pincers. Just go back into the whale bones. I want to get into some shade so I can catch up on these messages. I need a hat for my phone. But thank you very much for joining me. I hope, sorry about the signal last night on Periscope for the, I lost the signal right there at the end, which was a little bit of a shame for the fireworks, but I managed to capture them and put them on Instagram, and I've shared them around a little bit. So really lucky in New Zealand that we were able to go to a big concert and have an outdoor New Year's celebration. So there we go. These are the whale jaw bones. I'm just going to stand here in this shady spot and catch up on my messages. Dee, fantastic, lovely. Janae, awesome. Laughing Canine. Oh, you guys are awesome. Sorry, I couldn't read any messages before. But Happy New Year to you all. It's just fantastic to see you. Brett, you know the feeling. Oh, I'm just catching up here. Nice. Whoa, there's Jim. I think I'm caught up now. Thanks, Janae. Happy New Year. How warm is it, Jim? It is probably around 25. It's lovely. Yeah. Yeah, maybe not quite that hot yet, but it's going to happen this afternoon, which is great. Yeah. So we're looking at these jawbones. Look how massive because this is probably, I can't say the lower jawbone or the upper jawbone, but yeah, they're massive. Can you imagine how big these whales were? So here's some of the originals just through here. These ones that look like this, that are very perfect, have been, when they've eroded, they've replaced them with concrete. Yeah. Thanks, Janae. But here's the real deal here. Thanks, Dee. Awesome. You guys are fabulous. Oh, hello. Woo, cutie pie. Wow. Off he goes, Nacho. Nice. So here we go, whalebone. No, it's connected again. I think we lost. As I was saying in the beginning, very culturally insensitive these days to have these whale bones, because whales are sacred. So we wouldn't be doing this these days. So we can just enjoy them while they're here. But thanks everybody. I think my connection is going, so I'm going to, yeah, I'm going to say farewell. We might do it. See, this is the bone. You can see it's all disintegrating. There's not much you can do to okay, I'm going to finish. There we go, looking at all the jawbones. See you all from the beautiful, I'll see you all at lunch on Periscope, and I'll see you for another HAPS with the postcard from New Zealand. Thanks so much, everybody. Happy New Year. Oh, let me say goodbye. Happy New Year. I'll turn around so the jawbones are behind me. Not my jawbones, but somebody else's. There we go. Thank you so much, everybody. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you all later. Thank you so much. Oh, Marcus, awesome. Thank you. Okay, catch you all later. Bye for now. Bye. Whoopsie.